Welcome to Simple English Learning.
Welcome to Double Your English Speed with the Shadowing Method. I'm your host, Dr. Sarah Mitchell, an English educator with over 25 years of experience teaching students from bustling classrooms in London to online learners across Asia, South America, and beyond. I've guided beginners who stumbled over basic phrases to fluent speakers delivering TED-style talks with confidence. If you're watching this on YouTube because you want to speak English faster, sound more natural, and understand natives effortlessly, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the shadowing method, a powerful, science-backed technique that can double your speaking speed and fluency without needing expensive tutors or native speakers. We'll break down what shadowing is, why it works, how to do it step by step, and how to integrate it into your daily routine for maximum results. Grab a notebook, your headphones, and let's get ready to transform your English. By the end of this podcast, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to speak like a pro. Let's dive in. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately, mimicking their pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Developed by linguist Alexander Arguelles, it trains your brain, ears, and mouth to sync, mimicking natural English flow. It bridges input and output as per Merrill Swain's output hypothesis, and leverages neuroplasticity for faster learning. Cambridge studies show shadowing improves pronunciation by up to 40% in weeks. My student Javier from Spain went from robotic speech to fluent conversations in 3 months. Why shadowing beats other methods? Shadowing is self-directed, cost-free, low pressure, and exposes you to authentic language, slang, idioms, rhythms. It's perfect for YouTube learners using the platform's vast resources anytime, anywhere. Step-by-step guide to shadowing. Step 1. Choose the right material. Select comprehensible, slightly challenging content. For beginners, English Class 101, BBC's Learning English or VOA Learning English clips. For intermediates, TED Talks Daily, English with Lucy vlogs. For advanced, The Joe Rogan Experience, The Ellen Show interviews. Pick topics you love. Example, Gordon Ramsay for cooking fans. Use 2 to 5 minute clips with transcripts. My student Anna shadowed Vogue interviews, mastering fashion terms like runway. Step 2. Prepare your environment. Set up headphones for clarity, device for audio YouTube, mirror for mouth movements, recording app, voice memos. Find a quiet spot, set phone to English. Test with a clip. We're thrilled to announce our project. Allocate 15 to 30 minutes daily, split into 2 sessions. Step 3. Master the technique. 1. Listen. Play a 10 to 20 second clip. Example, TED Talk, happiness isn't about getting what you want. Note the main idea. 2. Shadow. Repeat immediately, mimicking stress, e.g., happiness, getting. Focus on flow. 3. Pause and repeat. Replay, repeat solo, record. 4. Compare. Playback, adjust pronunciation, e.g., getting versus slurred sound. Practice sounds like schwa, about as about. Use Rachel's English for tutorials. Shadow 10 to 15 minutes, starting with sentences, then paragraphs. Step 4. Build fluency. Apply shadowing to contexts. 1. Themed shadowing. Shadow Shark Tank for interviews. Use phrases like fills a gap in your pitch. 2. Fluency bursts. Speak 2 to 3 minutes post-shadowing. Example, I'd visit Japan, Kyoto's serene. Ignore errors. 3. Tongue twisters. Shadow she sells seashells for articulation. 4. My student Hiroshi shadowed business podcasts improving pitch delivery. Practice 10 minutes daily. Step 5. Integrate and iterate. 1. Routine. Morning, shadow a 5-minute clip. Lunch, podcast, summarize. Evening, 3-minute monologue. Use Pomodoro. 2. Immersion. Set devices to English. Follow TED Ed. Label items like fridge. 3. Communities. Join r/English Learning Hello Talk. Share phrases like hit the ground running. 4. Reflection. Record 3-minute talks weekly. Example, my 2026 goals. Adjust focus. Priya from India shadowed TED Talks achieving fluent presentations in 4 months. Overcoming challenges. Overwhelmed? Start with 1 to 2 minute clips, break sentences into chunks. Monotony? Vary content, podcasts, vlogs, movies. Pronunciation. Focus one sound daily, example, th. Use Forvo. Feedback. Use Elsa Speak, Discord peers. Plateaus. Shadow rap or debates for speed. Why it works. Shadowing trains listening, speaking, and processing simultaneously. Cambridge studies show 35% faster speaking gains. My student Ahmed mastered phrases like "No way, Jose" via movie clips. Tips for YouTube learners. 1. Playlists. Create a shadowing playlist with BBC Learning English TED Ed. 2. Tools. Use YouTube 0.75 speed subtitles. 3. Community. Share progress in comments like, which phrases did you shadow? 30-day plan. Week 1, shadow 5-minute clips, focus pronunciation. Week 2, add 2-minute fluency bursts, use 3 phrases. Week 3, shadow themed content, role play. Week 4, record 5-minute talk, share for feedback. Track in a journal, use Habitica. Conclusion. Shadowing doubles your English speed with the right material, environment, technique, fluency practice, and integration. Start with a 2-minute clip today. Share in the comments. Keep shadowing, keep speaking.